about 10 miles away, and I thought the same thing. I said, damn, I left my ammo in the garage, and I couldn't find it, and it was up under the seat. I couldn't see it.